How to sign up account for Bitget. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to download the application of Bitget from either Google Play Store or App Store. Once installed, tap to open Bitget app. Now you'll land on this section. Simply tap on the 9 dots at top left corner of your screen. From here, choose Sign Up button at top right. Now tap Create Account button. So in order to sign up, you can either choose an email address or a mobile number. Enter your email or mobile number in the first box and create a strong password that meets that display criteria and enter it in the next field. If you have a referral code, you can tap referral code and input if not, skip this step and you need to simply check mark the small box at bottom left and agree to the privacy policy and user agreement by checking the box. Now you have to verify by selecting in this order. Then tap OK button. Now enter the code sent to your phone number if you have used mobile number. If you have used email, check your inbox for a 6-digit code and tap submit button. Now you can enable additional features. You can enable biometric authentication or face recognition by tapping enable or choose later. Now you can proceed to identity verification by tapping verify now, have a government issued document ready and complete the face recognition process. This may take up to 60 minutes for approval. Once verification is done, you can access Bitget premium features and that's it. You have successfully signed up for Bitget in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next episode. So thanks for watching.